Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing another Mindful Souls unboxing. So if you are interested in that, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, this is my Mindful Soul box for May. This is what it looks like. Let me open it and see what we get. I did get my little book in here, The Transforming Magic of Self-Love. It does have a little book in here. I love that. Gets me some reading on. Has a little quiz in there and everything. And then it does have a card with all the information of everything that's in my box. So if you're interested, let's do it. So let's get into it. Let's see. First it says, affirmation for forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. That's so true. I know it's sometimes hard to forgive, but sometimes we do have to forgive just for our self-peace and our self-mind. This is what it says, keep calm and no drama. Isn't that so cute? I love this. This is so cute. It's a sticker. That's so cute. All right, what else we got? And we got these little bags. All right, let's open it up. I don't know about these bags, if I'm going to have like 100 bags in no time, right? Ooh, I love this. Look at this. It says a protective tiger's eye bracelet. The tiger's eye is a most ancient talisman, mysterious and powerful. Traditionally, tiger's eye was carried as an amulet against curses or ill wishing. It is known to give you courage, self-confidence, and strength of will. It shifts your outlook so that you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Is there a new hobby you'd like to try, a solution to a problem you haven't considered? Tiger's Eye connects to the solar plexus chakra to ground you in the power you need and to inspire you to find the courage to pursue those adventures. These stones are profound amplifiers of energy like most quartz crystals and will boost the energy of any other crystals you use with it. That is awesome, and it's so pretty. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm going to wear it right now. Alright, let's see what else we got. Let's see, girls. We got, ooh, it's a stone. This is a wrapped raw clear quartz necklace. That is so pretty. It says clear quartz is a rock star among crystals. There is no better crystal for manifesting realities, programming intentions, or amplifying energies than a clear quartz stone. A universal healer, it links to all the chakras to provide balance and harmony. Its ability to be programmed for manifestation is unlike any other crystal. Clear quartz will purify and re-energize your chakra field so that your mind, your core, and your base are all working in harmony at their highest potential. You can carry it with you, meditate with it, lay with it on your body, or them in your space. Sit quietly and hold your stone in your hands. Breathe in and feel energy fill your body. I need that. That is so pretty. I like it, like it, like it, like it. Let's see what else we get. Let's see. I did buy a chakra, a book at Barnes & Noble's the other day when I went there, and I picked it up. I can't wait to actually read it. It's supposed to talk about the different like stones and stuff like that. Ooh, look how pretty this is. This is a red agate circle crystal. In ancient times, the forces of the four elements were considered as some of the most powerful forces of the universe, and agates were justifiably linked to the earth element. Agates are universal balancing stones of subtle energies. They offer protection and are especially suitable for protection of children. Whenever needed, they can help you increase your courage as well as your creativity and are known to be capable of enhancing your energy in waves. So it is very useful when there is a need to overcome a certain difficult situation in which additional efforts and extra resources are required. Sit quietly and hold your stone in your hands. Breathe in and feel Agate's energy fill your body. Visualize your intention for your stone. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, what's this? We got these. Oh, it's cute. Little socks. That's cute. I like that. It says the word mandala derives from the Sanskrit meaning circle. The design of the mandala is supposed to be visually appealing to absorb the mind in such a way that irritating thoughts are unable to get through, and spiritual essence surrounds the individual observing the mandala, which in turn allows the individual a higher consciousness or awareness, almost as though being hypnotized. This allows the busy mind to take a break while the creative mind can run free. That is so pretty. Well, that was very interesting and surprising to get socks. I feel like they're really nice. All right, let's see. The next thing we got in the box. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, look how pretty this is. This says a blue agate slice necklace. Need an emotional lift? Love is the medicine to heal the world. I'll show you up close what it looks like. It says, and this crystal can help us return to our natural state of joy. Blue agate properties are linked with the heart chakra, which helps us heal by opening up our energy channels to unconditional love, for soothing the pain and confusion that comes with the human condition. Agate can help you if you find yourself in a situation where you find it difficult to forgive someone for the cause pain, despair, or bitterness in some complicated love or family relationship. This stone can help you find the necessary courage to forgive and forget. I don't know, girl. Wear agate if you feel yourself restrained, under pressure, or confined in your current obligations. And then just note that it is important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running tap water for 10 to 20 minutes. So we do have to do that. It states that we do have to do that once you receive them. You're supposed to do that before using them. But this is so pretty and I can't wait to wear it. But I gotta cleanse it first, right? I think so. Alright, so I think this is the last item in the box, which is an essential oil. Rainsong. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. It says Rainsong Essential Oil, mix of lotus flowers. Ooh, I haven't even tried this brand before. It says this type of floral essential oil is highly spiritual. Given the symbol that lotus plays in ancient Hindu and Buddhist practices, the lotus flower has become to epitomize spiritual reflection, meditation, and tranquility. When an individual inhales scent from lotus essential oil, the body is almost always compelled to take a deep breath. It facilitates in producing a calming and relaxing experience. In fact, it is considered as a natural tonic that improves overall body function. That's nice. I would like to smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. That smells so good. It's from M-A-Y-C-I. Alright, so that's all I have in my box this month. What do y'all think? I'm super excited. I'm about to go wash my stones. Alright guys, until next time, stay blessed.